Formulas in Microsoft Excel are really important. This video shows you how you do a basic formula in Excel, showing you how to add things and subtract things. Enjoy today's video. I'm in a Microsoft Excel blank worksheet, and I'm going to use this worksheet to demonstrate how you do a basic formula. Imagine the scenario where there's a small retail store and they have a certain dollar amount of sales, and in this example their dollar amount of sales are $87,125. So I just went to cell A1, I typed the word sales in as a label. I went to cell B1 and I typed in their total sales for a given period of time. I'm now going to click in cell A2, and the expenses that they had in that same period of time were $46,345. So again, I type in a label in cell A2 that demonstrates what the line is there for. I type the word expenses, and then in cell B2 I type in their total expenses. I'm now going to click in cell A3. I'll type in the word profit. Small typing mistake there. Still a small typing mistake. I'll go back and I'll fix that. And then I'm going to go to cell B3. What I want to figure out now is what their profit is by taking their total sales and subtracting it from their total expenses. Now, I could use the actual numbers for it, but instead I'm going to be using cell addressing for it. And you'll see the advantage using cell addressing at the end and near the end of this video. So the first thing to put a formula into an Excel worksheet is you make sure you're active in the cell where you want the answer to appear. You then have to let Excel know you're about to put a formula in, and one way to do that is to put an equal sign in. So on my keyboard, I'm now going to type the equal sign. It puts an equal sign into the formula. Excel now knows I'm about to put a formula in. I'm now going to type in B1, which is where the 87,125 is. On the keyboard, I'm going to touch the minus sign. I'm going to type in B2. It puts in equal B1 minus B2. I'm then going to take my mouse up to the Enter button, which is right above column C. I'll click on that. And I get the total profit of $40,780, which is the sales of $87,000 minus the expenses of $46,000. And up on the formula bar, it shows me the formula of being equal B1 minus B2. So it's that simple to do a basic formula in Microsoft Excel. All you do is you click in the cell where you want to put the answer. You put an equal sign in to start a formula. You type in one of the cell addresses. You do another mathematical symbol. In this case, I'm putting a minus sign in. I'm then going to type in B2, and I'll click on the check mark, and that'll finish out the formula. Now, the reason I always recommend to people you should use cell addressing in your formula is that if for some reason these sales were to change, and I make the change in the worksheet, this answer down here will change to reflect it. So I'll click in cell B1, and the actual sales are $88,156. I'm just going to touch Enter on my keyboard to move to the next cell. And notice how the profit now updates itself to give me the revised profit. The same thing if my expenses were to change. It was actually $47,021. I type that in and touch Enter. And again, the profit changes at the bottom part of the area where I'm working with my formulas. So again, it shows you how relatively simple it is to build a formula in Microsoft Excel. This little video just finished showing you how you add things and subtract things. We have much more videos on our website, joecomputertips.com, that show you more complex formulas using Microsoft Excel. Visit our website on a regular basis. My name again is Joe Peterson. Thanks for enjoying today's